Well, often with some steaming heat outside come the torrential downpours. So what's next? Here is Lonnie with an update.
Well, things will calm down as we get later and later into this day. And that's the picture right now, KJ. Things are a little calmer, I mean, significantly. In fact, they're a lot calmer than they were earlier. 74 with a near saturated atmosphere with a 70-degree dew point. 90 the high temp today. Highest reading on the map, Toms River, you hit 91. But all of these 80s that you see, 86 Newburgh, 88 Sussex, even 83 Monticello, all combined with big-time humidity. So everybody felt like you were into the 90s today, with the exception of the Hamptons. You had an 80-degree thermometer reading. It just wasn't as bad for you. But what we saw, big storms erupted because of that combination. The heat, the humidity, boom, they triggered, and they were strong rolling through. Right now, about the strongest we have is right here in the southern portions of New Jersey, around Ocean County, just to the east now of Philadelphia. This cell is moving, but the one on top of Stafford, if you zoom in tight, Stafford, you're going to end up with a pretty decent rain total because that's just been sitting there. Watch. It doesn't go beyond my finger for, you're looking at a couple hours right there. Now, here's where it goes to from this point forward. It gets to Galloway at 6:32, Surf City 7:46, Brigantine by 7:07. What happens once we're done with this day? We get into your day tomorrow, and this is the air mass. Big magenta colored circle, right? What's inside of it? It's hot, it's humid once again. Tomorrow's going to be sort of the last day, the real searing, muggy heat out there. And there is some rain. It's not going to be like what we had today. All right, a shower, a storm, perhaps, yes, but not like what we had today. Then the colder air behind it drops in. So on Thursday, it's kind of a transition day. You're maybe like 78, 80 degrees or so. But on Friday, your temperatures are stuck in the 60s, upper 60s, but 60s for a lot of folks out there. That'll be a big change. And the humidity is just erased altogether. So look at this. From this point forward for the rest of Tuesday, we've got about a 70% chance for some rain, but it's not the heavy stuff, just some light showers. For Wednesday, running a 40% risk. In the afternoon, you could trigger a shower or a storm. Yes, individual cells could be on the heavy side. It's just not going to be like today. Thursday, you go way down to a 10% chance. Friday, a 30% risk. That's when that actual front comes through. All right, so that's why you have a cool day on Friday as well. Saturday, maybe a 20% risk. I don't see too much for Saturday. My numbers and the rain chances right here. 88 tomorrow with that 40% shower or storm chance in the afternoon. All right, but I want to reiterate, it's not going to be as bad as it was today. 79 for Thursday. All right, that's about a 10-degree drop. The humidity goes way down. Friday, down another 10 degrees to 69 degrees. So cooler air out there and a little bit of a rain chance as well as that front passes in actuality. And then Saturday and Sunday, temperatures mid-upper 70s with a sun and cloud mix. I think Sunday right now looks to be the better of the 2 days. That's my 7-day, guys. It's all yours.
Okay, Lonnie, we look forward to it. Thank you.